In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a backup in Cloudways. Whether you're recovering from a bad plugin update, undoing accidental changes, or rolling back after a deployment, this walkthrough will help you restore confidently and safely. First, log into the Cloudways platform and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top menu and click Servers. This is where all your servers live. Before moving on, make sure you're in the correct workspace or project and that you have the permissions to manage backups and restores. Next, find your application. Select the server that hosts the app you want to roll back. Then click the www applications icon to view all applications on that server. Choose the specific application you want to restore. Take a moment to confirm you're working on the right environment, especially if you maintain both staging and production. Restoring the wrong app or environment can overwrite good data, so double-check names and URLs. Now open Backup and Restore from the Application Management panel for your chosen app. This page shows restore points listed by date and time. These are snapshots Cloudways created, either on schedule or based on your backup settings. Keep in mind that restoring will replace data according to the option you pick later, so be clear on what you're rolling back. Choose your restore point using the drop-down. Backups are listed in UTC time, so convert that to your local time if needed. Aim for a snapshot taken just before the issue started. If you know when a plugin update or content change occurred, pick the last known good time prior to that. The closer you get to the moment before the problem, the less legitimate content you'll lose. Now pick your restore option. Complete restore, sometimes called a full restore, brings back both your web files and your database to the selected point in time. Use this when the entire application is broken, you're seeing widespread errors, or you're unsure whether the issue is in files or the database. Web files only restores themes, plugins, uploads, and core files while leaving the database unchanged. Helpful if you suspect a corrupted file or a bad deployment but want to preserve recent posts or orders. Database only restores just the database and keeps current files, which is useful if the site layout is fine, but data is broken, such as missing entries or incorrect settings. Once you've chosen the option that fits your situation, click Proceed. Let the process complete without closing your browser. Afterward, visit your site, test key pages and forms, and clear any caches or CDN if you use one. If issues persist, try a different restore point that predates the problem and review your logs to confirm stability.